name is Vance Culver. I'm the Director of Product Line Management at Benchmade Knife Company, and today we're talking about the 945-221 Mini Osborne Unlimited Limited Gold Class. For this knife, we took inspiration from actually the Damas steel that we're using. This is a new pattern for us. It's the Aegir. In Norse mythology, Aegir was a giant of the sea. So we looked at the Norse and Baltic seas for inspiration of the colors. That's where we got a lot of the blues, the aqua anodize of the aluminum, the Arctic storm fat carbon handle scales, and even the gold floating spacer. That touch of yellow pop is common in some of the buildings in that area. We chose these materials because they're premium, exclusive, look really well on this platform. Our end goal is to create a product that really excites the enthusiasts, that is attractive but durable. It's not just intended to be a safe queen. It's intended to be used and carried